it's really important that people understand that this workshop is not about sitting down and hearing about unconscious bias. It's not yet another unconscious bias training. It's really designed to help people understand, what do I have to do to create change? And so that's really an important component of it. It's not blame, a lot of times people sit in these workshops and they just feel like they're under attack. And that's not what this is about. It's really about creating what I call a brave and safe space. We have to allow people to be able to say something and not worry that they're going to get jumped on, or to have that confidence that they can speak up. And yes, you might get corrected, but it's okay. We all make mistakes. And so it's really important that people understand, we got to get away from the blame game and say we're all responsible. So the first step of radical empathy is this willingness to be vulnerable. And the reason that's important is because if we don't understand our own story, and the book and this workshop is a lot about storytelling. And anybody will tell you that if you want to have empathy for somebody, storytelling is really important.